What's up, guys? It's NFL Mason. Welcome back to my channel. I just got back home from vacation, and I got the Chiefs hat, and yeah, I never showed you this. This is sick. Actually, we have the Chiefs logo on the front, with just little tabs, red dots on it, and then the official NFL logo. Then new area cap. It's $32. $32 used for me. Now I got these, I think, I don't know what these are, but I look like Patrick Mahomes. He wears these. So, great news, man. Great news. We're trying to revive my monkey, okay? So, my monkey might be back, okay? Might be back. Because my stepmom, she is, I think, making a patch or something on his eye and see what she can do with it. So we're hoping for the best for him. Thank you all for our supporters. Thank you, Coach Neil, for praying for me, Monkey, all that. Thank you very much. All my supporters out there, my subscribers, everybody. So, for the best, we're just hoping for the best news back. That's all I just want to say. See you guys. It's NFL Base. Peace!